Yo soy de León, Guanajuato, México, so Central Mexico from Guanajuato. I was born there.
Yo soy de Buenos Aires, Argentina. Nací en Buenos Aires, Argentina. Vivo en Buenos Aires, Argentina. So, yeah.
Vamos a decirles what today's little class is going to be about. We're going to do proper ways to flirt and then slang ways to flirt. Coqueteando or tirando los perros, which is that one's super slang. Tirando los perros is basically like throwing the dogs, so you're all out there. So you have to be very careful if you're flirting in Mexican slang, because sometimes you could come up a little too strong. I personally don't mind si me tiran los perros, because to me that just shows like a lot of confidence. It shows that a guy just goes for it. Te late si vamos a cenar esta noche, which is you down if we go out tonight.
Diría como, ¿te gustaría salir conmigo esta noche? The biggest difference, I think, is between te gustaría and te late, ¿verdad?
Te late, sí. Te late is going to be very slang, very laid back, and te gustaría is a lot more formal. Te late si te recojo a las 8, you down if I pick you up at 8. You can also say, ¿qué onda, hermoso, hermosa? What's up, cutie, beautiful?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Verdad? It's a little bit more proper than going, ¿qué onda?
Sí.
I would say points. Points if you use ¿qué onda? Because it's like, you know the slang, you're vibing with a Latino crew, you know? Si dices ¿qué onda?
Yes.
Like going for like bonito, bonita, preciosa. It's like compliments, but it's a little bit softer, right? I think.